Let me ask you something. What if you could run your entire marketing engine from one place? Imagine having everything you need right at your fingertips without the chaos. That's exactly what HighLevel brings to the table. An all-in-one platform for marketers who want to stop duct taping their tech stack together. No more piecing together different software and hoping they play nice. Imagine this: lead capture, websites, funnels, calendars, payments, analytics, all in a single dashboard. It's like having a command center for your entire business, where every tool you need is seamlessly integrated. No more jumping between tabs, no more missed opportunities, and definitely no more wasted time. You can finally focus on what matters most: growing your business and serving your clients. Let's break it down. Let's see how HighLevel can transform the way you work, step by step. With HighLevel, I can build out full websites, create killer landing pages, and set up sales funnels in minutes. The drag-and-drop builder makes it easy, even if you're not a tech wizard. You can launch new campaigns faster than ever before and make changes on the fly without waiting for a developer. Need to capture leads? There are drag-and-drop surveys and forms, plus online appointment scheduling that syncs effortlessly with my calendar. No more double bookings or missed meetings. Everything is organized and automated. Follow-up is where most businesses drop the ball, but HighLevel makes it easy. Automated workflows ensure every lead gets the attention they deserve, so you never lose touch with a potential customer. I can run multi-channel campaigns, call leads, drop voicemails, send SMS and MMS, blast emails, even hit up Facebook Messenger, all from one place. Imagine the power of reaching your audience wherever they are without having to learn a dozen different systems. That means no lead falls through the cracks. Every interaction is tracked, every message is logged, and you always know where your prospects stand. But there's more. Membership areas? Check. You can create exclusive content, courses, or communities for your clients and customers, all within the same platform. In-depth analytics and reports? You bet. HighLevel gives you real-time insights into what's working and what's not, so you can make data-driven decisions and optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. Everything I need to measure success, pivot fast, and scale big. Whether you're running a small agency or managing multiple clients, you'll have the tools to grow with confidence. Now here's where it gets really interesting. HighLevel isn't just a toolkit, it's your own white label platform. That means you can brand it as your own, customize the look and feel, and offer it to your clients as if you built it yourself. I can create a custom app, push it to the App Store, and sell it to my clients at my own price. Imagine the credibility and authority you gain by offering your own branded software solution. Unlimited accounts, unlimited users. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or running a large agency, you're never limited by the number of clients or team members you can support. That means I'm not just running campaigns. I'm building a whole new revenue stream by offering platform access as a service. You can package your expertise and the power of HighLevel into a recurring income model. And let's talk money. With HighLevel's CRM and mobile app, I can charge more, justify my fees, and deliver serious value to my clients. The platform pays for itself many times over, both in time saved and new revenue generated. It's no exaggeration. This platform changes the way I do business. It's like having a full marketing team and a tech department, all rolled into one powerful solution. So, if you're ready to stop spinning your wheels, if you want to elevate your marketing and sales, and if you're looking for a smarter way to scale, hit the link below for a 14-day free trial. There's no risk, and you'll see the difference from day one.